This is a great meal. It's fairly healthy. You can make it healthier probably. Half a pound of beef, sliced sirloin. Half a pound of chicken over here on this side. This side of the grill, we're up more what I'd call a high heat. Over here on the other side where we got the vegetables started, they're just kind of on a medium heat because they do take a little bit longer to kind of cook up. Again, this is a great meal for Father's Day, or if you're just looking for an excuse to bust out your Blackstone, this is a good one. If you like stir fry, we love it. Yeah. This is angel hair pasta. Label. Alright, kid. Let's plate it up. If this looks good to you and you like this video, consider hitting the thumbs up down below. Share this with anybody that's looking for a great meal to cook for Father's Day, or just another excuse to get your Blackstone out. This is a great meal. It's fairly healthy. You can make it healthier probably. Anyways, hope you all have a blessed week. Let's get outside and make something happen.